Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken and gnocchi soup, and this is an Olive Garden Copycat recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. So over here I have some potato gnocchi. This is about 16 ounces. You can find this at your local grocery store at the pasta section. I'm going to use half a cup of Parmesan cheese, half a stick of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of chopped chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've boiled and I've just chopped up. You can use chicken breasts if you prefer, but I like chicken thighs for this recipe. And then I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 quart of half and half, or you can mix half milk, half heavy cream, which is the same thing as half and half, and then 32 ounces of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of dry parsley, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. The nutmeg is important in this recipe, so don't skip out on that part. And then 2 garlic cloves that I've minced, and then 1 onion that I've diced, half a cup of chopped celery, and then 1 cup of shredded carrots. And then you're also going to need some baby spinach. I have about 1 1/2 cups of baby spinach. You can use less or more, however much you like, depending how much you like spinach. And then I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of salt divided. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is in a large pot, I'm going to go ahead and melt my half a stick of butter. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to that, and I'm just going to mix it in. All right, and once the butter has melted, now I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and celery, and I'm going to mix that on a medium heat for about 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. And once the onions are a little translucent, now I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, and I'm going to mix that in just for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. And I'm also going to be adding about half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to be mixing that in. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my flour, and I'm just going to mix that in just until it's well blended. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my half and half, and I'm going to bring my heat up to a medium-high heat and let this come to a simmer. And then I'm going to let it simmer until it thickens up just a little bit. All right, and once it thickens up a little bit like this, I'm going to go ahead and now add the chicken broth, and I'm going to let this just cook together for a few minutes before I add my spices. And now I'm adding the thyme, dried parsley, and the nutmeg, and I'm going to mix that in very well. After mixing in the spices, now I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots, and I'm going to mix that in. And I already went ahead and cooked my gnocchi on the side. So to cook the gnocchi, you just pretty much boil it for like 3 to 4 minutes. And this is what it's going to look like after you boil it. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding this gnocchi to the soup. You just want to make sure that it's not all stuck together. So I'm just going to be putting it in batches. After adding my gnocchi, I am now going to be adding my cooked chicken, and then I'm going to be mixing that in and let that cook together for a few minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add about half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to mix it in until it's completely melted. And once the cheese has melted, now I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. You can add salt to taste, but I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that in. And then after mixing the salt, the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding the baby spinach. And the spinach only takes a few minutes to cook with the soup. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that in and mix it in just for about 2 minutes. And then the soup will be ready to serve, and I'll show you what it looks like. And after a few minutes, this is what it will look like. And now the soup is ready to serve. The soup is so easy to make. It's so quick. It probably took me less than 20 minutes to put together. And when you do serve it, you could also top it off with some Parmesan cheese. It is optional, but who doesn't love a little extra cheese? So this is a final look of the chicken and gnocchi soup. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.